Welcome to the top picks. The best wall of water is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for any gardener looking to get a head start on their tomato season, providing a protective microclimate that shields young plants from frost, wind, and pests, ultimately leading to earlier fruiting and a more bountiful harvest, making it an indispensable tool for serious tomato enthusiasts. Number 5. Modern Innovation Ceramic Terracotta Self-Watering Spikes. Introducing the Modern Innovation Ceramic Terracotta Self-Watering Spikes. This innovative system makes watering your plants incredibly easy and sustainable. Crafted from recycled wine bottles, these plant watering spikes offer an eco-friendly solution. Simply refill the bottles to keep your plants healthy and vibrant. These essential gardening tools ensure your plants receive the precise amount of water they need. Prevent over- or underwatering for healthier, happier plants. Planning a vacation. Leave your plants with confidence. These self-watering spikes will ensure they are well cared for while you're away. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor plants, at home or in the office. They keep your greenery fresh, beautiful, and perfectly hydrated. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of these self-watering stakes. Order your set today and enjoy peace of mind. What we like. If you're a frequent traveler or often forget to water your plants, this is the perfect solution. It uses recycled wine bottles for a sustainable and eco-friendly way to keep your plants hydrated. Just refill the bottle, and it will automatically water your plants, ensuring they stay healthy while you're away. What people say. The Wall of Water is a fantastic product that provides a protective barrier for tomato plants against frost and cold weather. It is designed to be easily assembled and placed around the plants, creating a microclimate that promotes growth and prevents damage. The product effectively raises the soil temperature, allowing for earlier planting and a longer growing season. Number 4. Click and Grow Smart Garden Herb Kit. Enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. Our energy-efficient LED grow lights ensure your plants thrive, regardless of the season or weather. Getting started is simple. Just add the plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in. Your indoor garden is ready to grow. Explore over 50 pre-seeded plant pods, from basil and cilantro to lavender and chili peppers. You can grow almost anything you desire. Don't worry if you're new to gardening. This smart system makes growing easy for everyone, no special skills needed. Once your herbs and vegetables are grown, you can easily transplant them. Move them to your favorite indoor or outdoor planters. This self-watering planter takes the guesswork out of gardening. Experience the joy of growing your own produce with minimal effort. What we like. Looking for a hassle-free way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, regardless of your gardening experience? This smart garden kit comes with everything you need to get started, including energy-efficient LED grow lights and a variety of pre-seeded plant pods. It's ideal for small spaces like kitchen windowsills and for anyone who wants fresh produce year-round. What people say. It's simple, it works, it's small, it's fun to watch, easy to set up. It simplifies the growing process. There's no need to set timers or add fertilizer manually. The design of Click and Grow is both stylish and practical, built to last, no LCD screen that might malfunction, and the light arms are sturdy. Number 3. Mayne 5825W Fairfield Patio Planter, White, 20-inch. Enjoy consistent, hydrated and healthy plants with our self-watering feature. It reduces maintenance while ensuring lush, thriving displays for any space. Crafted from UV fade-resistant polyethylene, it maintains its rich color. This provides durable protection against sun exposure and harsh weather for lasting outdoor performance. The double-wall design insulates and protects roots from extreme temperatures. It retains essential moisture, ensuring healthy plants all year round. Engineered for dependable all-season performance, it features overflow drainage. This protects roots, prevents overwatering, and encourages strong, healthy plant growth. Proudly made in the USA, it's backed by a 15-year limited warranty. Enjoy durability, reliability, and peace of mind for every season. What we like. If you need a long-lasting, low-maintenance planter for your patio or garden, this is an excellent choice. Made from UV-resistant polyethylene, it's built to withstand harsh weather and sun exposure. The self-watering feature and double-wall design ensure your plants stay consistently hydrated and protected from extreme temperatures, making it perfect for all-season performance. What people say. I very rarely need to water my plants, the only time I really do is when we go without rain for a long time. It is really like a self-sustaining planter and I would love to get more of them. I hardly ever have to water and my plants are thriving even in the unbearable heat of the Florida summer. These are easy to clean with either a little bleach spray, pressure washer, or just hosing down, if needed. The front of my house is very windy and I'm confident that this planter is not going anywhere. The plant might blow out and away, but the planter will not. Number 2. HEKIWAY 49-foot solar drip irrigation system. Introducing a versatile watering system designed for year-round convenience. It works seamlessly both indoors and outdoors, ensuring your plants are always cared for, no matter the season. Take full control of your plant care with 25 customizable timer modes. You can easily set watering durations and intervals to perfectly match your plant's needs. This system is designed to be highly water efficient, using less water than traditional methods. It intelligently delivers the right amount of water, saving resources and keeping your plants healthy. Easily adjust watering based on plant size and environmental conditions. Whether it's small indoor plants or a large outdoor garden, it provides precise hydration. This kit provides everything you need to create a custom watering layout for up to 15 plants. Its high flow rate ensures efficient and precise watering for all your flowers and vegetables. Enjoy hassle-free plant watering with smart alerts for blockages or low water levels. It requires minimal attention, making plant care effortless. What we like. For those with multiple plants, especially on a balcony or patio, this solar-powered drip irrigation system offers incredible flexibility and efficiency. With 25 customizable timer modes and the ability to water up to 15 pots, it's perfect for busy gardeners who want precise, water-saving irrigation. It can even be charged via Type-C for indoor use during colder months. What people say. The solar-powered design is incredibly convenient and eco-friendly, allowing you to water your plants without worrying about electricity or manual effort. With 25 timer modes, you can easily customize the watering schedule to suit different types of plants, ensuring they stay healthy and well hydrated. The system's flow rate is impressively efficient, and the included alerts for low water or clogs give peace of mind. Number 1. Fshow Garden Cloches Plant Protector. Shield your precious plants from a variety of threats. Protect them from snails, birds, squirrels, hail, harsh sun, and frost without any harmful chemicals. Ensure your vegetables grow healthy and strong. These accessories act like a mini greenhouse for your plants, offering excellent freeze protection. The ventilated tops ensure proper air and water circulation, promoting healthy growth. Crafted from transparent material, these covers allow maximum sunlight to reach your plants. This design minimizes reflection, creating an ideal environment for comfortable and healthy plant development. Made from high-quality, thick and pet material, these covers are built to last. They are flexible enough to regain their shape if squished, offering extra sturdiness for long-term, reusable use. This set includes 20 cloches, each measuring 7.5 inches in diameter and 9 inches in height. You'll have more than enough to meet your daily needs and replacements. What we like. If your plants are constantly under threat from snails, birds, or harsh weather like frost and sun, these garden cloches are your solution. They act as mini greenhouses, providing protection and creating a favorable environment for growth. Their transparent, ventilated design ensures plants get enough light and air circulation, making them ideal for protecting seedlings and vulnerable vegetables. What people say. They work well and help protect sprouts from the wind too. I've had some collars last over 2 years. It kept the bugs off my plants. These deter slugs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.